I hear something playing in the background. If I'm not mistaken, that should be probably around about Clark Street, coming down this block right here. Let's see. Maybe he's coming off of Clark. He's not in a straight line though from here. But I think that's a whole completely. The boy said he wanted loud music, loud and clear. I think this is one of the best ones I did. So as we were saying on the phone, how was your weekend with the new improved sounds?
I don't want to sell my car no more.
Oh, you don't want to sell your car no more?
I love it.
So where did you go?
I went to the Frisco, to the little carnival up there.
Uh-huh.
It was just good to know that I was the loudest car out there and it sounded clear and nice.
And they was on you?
Too much. Yeah.
Okay. You was asking me about my tuning methods. I said I can't tell you all my tuning methods, man. I just work it out.
That's only because Donnie likes to go back there and mess with me.
Yeah, tell Donnie leave my shit alone, man. Hey, y'all. That's all I got to say about that.